Hello, how are you? The title of today's video is
PowerShell Tutorial 6 Touch Utility to change timestamps. One of the quite useful Linux commands is touch. I mainly use it to update timestamps of files like access time, modification time, and creation time. For developers, this command is really helpful when working with Makefile. In Windows, if you want to use touch command, you can install sigwin. Now since we are using PowerShell, why not use it to implement similar functionalities as touch provides? It turns out this is not as difficult as you might think. And the script is actually very nice looking and easy to read. We will use foreach loop learned in the last tutorial. To make this tutorial as independent as possible, I will start with creating sample files and folders. In PowerShell ISE Console, go to C Tutorial folder. Delete everything with recursive parameter. Now we have an empty folder. Create 3 empty files with new item cmdlet. root 01 text, root 02 text, root 03 text. Make sure they are created. Create a subfolder sub, still with new item cmdlet. Add parameter item type directory. Go inside this newly created folder. Add 3 empty files with the same cmdlet as before. Child 01 text, child 02 text, child 03 text. Make sure they are created. Now we have the sample files and subdirectories in place. Go to PowerShell ISE script pane with shortcut Ctrl+R. Define a variable path pointing to root folder, C tutorial. Write foreach statement to recursively loop through every item. We call it variable file in the given directory. Did you see the problem in the script? Let's run the script. It failed with error message, missing in after variable in foreach loop. Fix the bug and run it again. Now it shows all the files in root and sub folder. 3 files are under the root directory. Three files are under subdirectory. To improve the display with a table format, pipe variable file to select statement with properties, full name, creation time, last write time, last access time. Run it with F5. The message is much clearer to read. So far, we are repeating what has been learned in the last tutorial. Now, let's add touch functionalities found in Linux system. Switch back to script pane. Add code to update file variable properties. Creation time to something like January 1st, 2001, 13 hours, 1 minute, 1 second. Run and check if the creation time has been updated for all files. Yes, they are. Similarly, we can modify the last write time to February 2nd, 2002. "14 hours, 2 minutes, 2 seconds." Continue or train of thought. Modify the last access time to March 3rd, 2003. 15 hours, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Run the script. The timestamps for all files are updated as expected. So this is our replacement of touch command in PowerShell. It works as expected. What more can we ask for? I will show you the complete script again in the next slide. The only difference from the code created in demo is that to make it more presentable on screen, I added the tilde or backtick to break the long line. The code looks clean and easy to maintain. I use it from time to time. Hopefully, you will also find it useful. In the next tutorial, we will turn it into a PowerShell function. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.